Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2011 Kia Optima, doing some rear pads and rotors. Brake pads aren't so much of an issue, pretty standard. When it comes down to the rotor, you're going to be cussing out some Kia engineers. So, this is the rotor that's going to have those little screws and stuff like that that you'll have to take out. See these little things? So, the best tool for stuck ones are going to be an item like this. It's called a I can't even remember the name of what this thing's called, but it's basically a punching system and stuff like that, that rotates this socket up front in order to be able to rotate them out. Gives you a little bit extra hammering ability to loosen it up and also rotating at the same time. So punch those two out right here for the screws, and then for the rotor, here's where you're gonna be cussing out the engineer. So you have two 13mm sockets. 13? No, 12, sorry. 12 bolts right here. One up here, easy to get to. This one down here. Why they decided to put the control arm right in the middle of the way. So that's what you have to contest with. The 19mm bolt that goes through this way. Take off the nut on this end, no problem. And then use a punch to push it all the way through. And it's going to kind of stop back in this area back here, but if you continue punching it through with a punch or a screwdriver, it'll push itself all the way out. Then you can get to the 12mm bolt that is holding on the back half of the bracket, like yay. So that's what you have to deal with in this type of a situation. I did put some rust penetrant on the sides to make it easier, especially going back on. You kind of have to finagle it, fight, pull this out, move this a little, hammer it down, stuff like that. And then I get a center punch like this to get in there and get it lined up, and then you can put the bolt through. You can put it through the back way, which is what's required, or I did it through the front because you can't really get anything back over here in order to even hammer it in this direction. But any questions, comments, feel free to let me know.